Sis, have you ever sat down, calculated your cycle, prayed, hoped, and even begged God, only for you to see your cycle again? Many of us who have all been there. I know the frustration, I get it. That emotional roller coaster, that heartbreak, I understand. You are not alone. What if I told you that you can make your own ovulation-boosting fertility tea right from the comfort of your home? What if I told you that nature has already given you powerful herbs to awaken your ovaries, balance your hormones, and improve ovulation naturally? In this video, I'm going to be revealing one of my favorite fertility secrets, how to make your own ovulation boosting fertility tea from the comfort of your home. You don't have to be buying those expensive teas from Amazon. You can prepare these ones. This is actually where you equally monitor what goes in there. And yes, it will give you your desired result. And the best part is that it's natural, affordable, and highly effective. Let's start with the basics. Feel free to fast forward this video to where I'm already preparing the tea, okay? But I will do the basics. Ovulation is release of a matured egg. This egg is not released or is of poor quality, pregnancy becomes impossible. Many women today face an ovulation, meaning their body is not releasing egg regularly, and it could be because of stress, hormonal imbalance, polycystic ovarian syndrome, what you're eating, toxin exposure, and thyroid issue. But here is the truth. Your body wants to heal. You just have to give it the right tool. And this is where NK Fertility Solutions comes in. Come back to NK Fertility Solutions, where we talk everything pregnancy, fertility, and your holistic living. We don't just talk, we learn, we implement, and we get results. Let's get started. So we have our ingredients. We have the cloves. This is the cloves, okay? This is cloves. Yes. This quantity, and ginger, our water, and honey. Honey is optional. Very, very optional, okay? These two can actually make you your ovulation boosting fertility. Why do we need cloves? Many times we neglect this tiny, powerful herb. We neglect it. Cloves enhances estrogen levels. Many times you're not ovulating because you are dealing with estrogen dominance, okay? It helps to regulate your menstrual cycle so you can have a predictable menstrual cycle. It helps to improve blood flow to the womb and your ovaries. Clove is also known to reduce oxidative stress, which damages egg quality. So don't joke with this. Don't joke. If you have been ignoring this, please don't, okay? Then we have our ginger. It's a natural anti-inflammatory root. Everybody knows that ginger helps to reduce inflammation in the reproductive tract. Ginger helps to boost blood flow to the ovaries. It supports natural detox also so that it can remove toxins. Many times you're not ovulating because toxin overload is dealing with you, okay? Did you know that chronic inflammation can block ovulation? So ginger calms that fire, okay? So honey is optional. Honey is optional. Honey helps in nutrient absorption, okay? It actually adds a sweetener too without disrupting the hormones. So instead of using all those sugary stuffs, honey can help you. It contains antioxidants that support healthy eggs. So let's just start now. We are going to start boiling our water. If you're using this kind of cup, it's just 2 of it you will need. If not, you just need this full cup for this particular quantity now. All right, so let's get started. Let me put on the fire. Pour in the water. Okay. We'll pour the cloves, the ginger. You can grate your ginger. You can grate it, okay? But I prefer to pound, okay? I prefer to pound. So allow it to boil for 7 minutes. 7 minutes or 5 minutes. 7 minutes max. Okay? So cover. So many times you have questions. When do I start taking it? Drink preferably once daily from day 5 to day 14 of your menstrual cycle. Okay? Day 5 to day 14 of your menstrual cycle. That is your body's follicular phase when your ovaries are preparing to release an egg. It's 7 minutes now. All right? Can perceive the aroma. I love cloves aroma. Very, very amazing. So let's strain the water. Let's strain it. Let's strain the water. If you make it in large quantity, you just have to be leaving it in your pot there, okay? Because actually, the longer it stays in your pot, the more the ingredients just soak out well, okay? Your ovulation boosting tea is ready. it is ready. You have a liquid like this, okay? And for you to add honey, you must allow it to cool. Just a teaspoon of honey, which is very, very optional. If you don't have honey, go ahead and drink your tea. There is no problem. So there you have it. Those expensive tea that you normally buy, after preparing it, is this not the color that you normally have? Make your own. Just make your own tea. I have 5 tips. Now, when you combine it with this tea, it will help you get quick results. Number 1 is combine this tea with high fiber diet, high proteinous diet, and avoid sugar, especially processed sugar, at all costs. Make sure you are getting quality sleep, especially at night. Try to move your body. Very, very important, okay? Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. I can't overemphasize this. Make sure you are tracking your ovulation. You understand your cycle. You know when it's your fertile days. You know when you're ovulating. Do this, okay, as a woman that is really ready to get pregnant. Most importantly, keep the faith alive. Mental stress is real, but don't allow it get to you. You can do this. God created your body with wisdom. Trust the process. Nourish it with intention. Speak life into your womb every single day. My sister, you don't need expensive tea. Start with what you have. Start with this, and you will see amazing improvement in your ovulation, your fertility. Come back and testify if this works for you. I'm giving you time. Come back and testify. If you're going to try this tea, type "I am starting today" in the comments. He wish above all things that you and I prosper and be in good health, even as our soul prospers. Thank you for tuning in today. I wish you success in this journey. It's not easy, but hang in there. You will definitely testify.